Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So in today's episode I'm going to be sowing my sunflower seeds for the Sunflower Challenge 2019. This is set by Nick at Nick's Allotment Diary. I'll try and put a link in the description for his channel and for the video where he set the challenge. There's different categories. Largest head, which is what I'm going for because I've got a giant single sunflowers. I think there's the tallest and possibly the most heads or something. But as I say, the rules, Nick set the rules, so I'll leave a link below to his channel and to the video that he did. So we're going to crack on now. I'm going to sow my seeds. Alright then guys, so I'm going to be using grape carton again to cut down on plastic waste. I'm trying not to buy any plant pots this year, so I'm just using these. So fill up with compost. This is my potting mix that I made myself. It's just sieved multi-purpose compost with some added core. If you don't know what that is, it's the fibrous stuff from around the outside of a coconut. It holds a lot of moisture. It's quite good for starting seeds in. So all I've done is filled up this to the top. I'm going to firm it down gently just to level it off. Then all I'm going to do, I've got my seeds here. I thought they were giant single, but it doesn't actually say what type of sunflower they are. Apparently they're only for kids, so I better save a few for the kids to plant some. So what I'm going to do is take a few seeds out. I'm sure you've all seen sunflower seeds before, but there they are, quite big. They've got this hard shell on them. So literally all I'm going to do, it's probably just poke them into the compost, pointy end down. It doesn't matter too much, they will sort themselves out. I'm going to leave a nice big gap in between each seed, just to make it much easier to prick them out of this container when it comes to it. You could put more in here, but I think 6 would be fine for now. So we've got 6 seeds there, and then all I'm going to do is fill in on top of them with about, the general rule is to plant seeds twice as deep as they are long. So sunflower seeds about a centimetre, so about 2 centimetres deep. If you follow that general rule, you can't go wrong really. Twice as deep as the seed is long is the general rule. So that's that done. Now all I've got to do is water them. So I'll be back in a sec because I forgot my sprayer. Alright, so now all just give them water, give them a good old soak. You don't want it swimming, but this is the only time I'm going to water these until they germinate, most likely. Unless they do dry out, which is unlikely I'd say. So give them a nice water. And then I'm going to put these somewhere warm until they germinate, probably in the boiler room. Make sure you label them, always label your things. So I've got Sunflower Challenge, couldn't fit 2019 on there, but giant single. This is what I'm hoping they are. Even though in this picture it looks like it might be a multi-headed variety, but it doesn't really matter to me. There you go. That's my Sunflower Challenge seed sown. So again, thank you Nick for setting the challenge. It's always fun. I've kind of failed a bit in the past couple of years, but hopefully this year I will actually get a decent sunflower to enter into the competition. So anyway, that's it for this episode guys. Thank you very much for watching. And if you do want to join in the challenge, just record yourself sowing your sunflower seeds. Check out the rules on the link that I'll put in the description to Nick's video that he put up. I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.